Microsoft's latest innovation, CoPilot PCs, is about to completely change what's possible with your computer. This innovation is not just the fastest, but the most intelligent Windows PC ever. It is infused with AI at every layer. And I can tell you that the future we are waiting for is here. And from now on, the way we interact with our computers is about to change. So if you want to understand the full capabilities of CoPilot PCs, stay to the end of this video, because I'm going into the cutting-edge features, the latest capabilities, and show you how this innovation is going to change the way you work, create, and play. Microsoft is taking CoPilot to the next level by turning it into a powerhouse app on Windows and placing it right there on your desktop where it belongs. But here's the thing. This isn't their first time. 30 years ago, they revolutionized the game with Windows 95, and now they're doing it again in the AI era. You see, Microsoft has always been about pushing the boundaries of innovation. And if we're being real, the entire tech industry has been on a mission to build computers that actually get us, instead of the other way around. Think about it. 70 years ago, the pioneers of modern computing were already dreaming of machines that could understand human language and behavior. And now, with AI, we're closer than ever to making that a reality. But this new system has a memory that's almost human-like, retaining context and recalling your personal knowledge and data across all your devices and apps. And with its advanced reasoning capabilities, it can help you tackle even the most complex tasks with ease. We're entering a new era where computers don't just understand us, they actually anticipate our every move and intention. It's like having a crystal ball show you exactly what you need when you need it. This is a major breakthrough with Microsoft Copilot. But before I show you a demo of its capabilities, let me give you a sneak peek at what Copilot is all about. This isn't just an AI tool, it's your everyday companion. Copilot puts the collective knowledge and expertise of the world at your fingertips and helps you turn that knowledge into action. It's not just a device-specific tool, it's a cross-platform superstar that works seamlessly across every role, every function, and every industry. But here's the best part. The future of computing just got a whole lot brighter. You know why? Because CoPilot PCs have supercharged our PCs to accelerate everything you do by up to 20%. And that's not all. They're also talking about new AI experiences like Windows Studio effects that won't slow down your CPU and GPU. These improvements are a total game changer, and Microsoft is estimating that over 50 million AI PCs will be sold in just the next 12 months alone. But they are not stopping there. Copilot PCs have completely reimagined the PC from the inside out, making a huge leap forward in technical capability. They are unbelievably thin, light, and beautiful. I mean, you'll want to show them off. But before I reveal the performance and full capabilities of these PCs, let me show you the extent Microsoft has gone and how unique this innovation is, plus I will show you the demo. Do you remember the latest GPT-4o that is shaking the world? Microsoft was delighted to announce that GPT-4o is coming to Copilot, and it's packed with incredible text, voice, and vision capabilities. Let me show you a demo preview that one of our developers, Ryan, did. Ryan showed us a sneak peek of what's possible. He shared his screen with Copilot while playing Minecraft, and you'll hear two voices, Ryan's and the Copilot's. It's like a natural conversation with a friend, but way more awesome. Let's watch the experience.
Hey, Copilot, how's it going?
Hey, I'm doing great, and it looks like you're about to dive into some Minecraft. Ready to build, explore, and maybe dodge a few mobs?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to make a sword. My son plays this game all the time, and I have no idea what I'm doing.
No worries. I'm here to help you impress your son. I see you've got a crafting table in front of you, which is a great start. To craft a sword, you'll need some materials. Can you open your inventory? Just press E on your keyboard.
Yeah, do I have what I need?
Let's see. You've got some sticks, perfect for the sword's handle, but it looks like you're missing the material for the blade. You can use wood, stone, iron, gold, or diamond.
Let's stop it here for a minute. Notice how Copilot knew that he was in Minecraft, but also understood Ryan asked for help and checked the inventory on his screen. As Ryan continues, he gets a surprise that Copilot picks up on, and it tailors the interaction.
Let's start by gathering some wood or stone. Shall we head out and find some resources?
Yeah, that sounds great. Oh my God, what's that?
Oh no, it's a zombie. Run. You need to get away from it fast. Either sprint away or quickly build a tower of blocks straight up to get out of its reach. If you can find a shelter or dig into the side of a hill, do it now.
This is something truly magical with CoPilot and GPT-4o. Think of it as having an advanced assistant that could adapt and help you in real time, even when faced with a surprise zombie spawn on your screen. I love this example because it shows how CoPilot can seamlessly become a natural part of your Windows experience. Just imagine being in your flow, working or playing on your PC, and effortlessly chatting with CoPilot like it's your trusted friend. It understands what you're doing and assists you every step of the way. It's going to revolutionize the way we interact with our devices and experience the world. No more tedious tasks or frustrating moments, just a smooth, intuitive, and super-powered experience. Now, let me show you how amazing and captivating this new system can be. I mean, you will think of buying it within the next few months. Starting with performance, CoPilot Plus PCs introduce a new systems architecture powered by the CPU, GPU, and an all-new NPU running at an incredible 40 trillion operations per second. Microsoft also completely re-architected Windows 11 using a new minimum hardware configuration to optimize performance and battery life. The result is that the CoPilot Plus PCs are the fastest Windows PCs ever built. If you want to do a comparison, they're 58% faster than the most advanced MacBook Air with the M3 processor. All of that with a battery that can last all day. Next, they've updated Microsoft Copilot, your everyday AI companion, by reimagining what Copilot can do on Windows. Let's take a look. It's going to be easier than ever to call on Copilot with just a tap on your keyboard or at the center of your Windows taskbar. As you can see here, they're simplifying the experience, making it more personal and faster to get what you want. They're also going to make it a flexible app experience so you can resize, snap, or even maximize it and run it on a full screen. One of the great things now when you have Copilot and Windows is that I can now use two windows and I can literally drag and drop something from one window to the other. However, later this year, Microsoft said that Copilot is going to revolutionize the Windows experience by showing up in settings and providing genius suggestions to make your life easier. For instance, you'll be able to configure your PC with just one click, thanks to Copilot's helpful tips in Windows settings. Or picture this. You're in File Explorer, and you can quickly edit a photo without even opening an app. And do you know my personal favorite? Copilot's residing within my notifications. When you're working on your Windows desktop, you can now click on a notification. Copilot will instantly answer your question or even reply to an email with the perfect PowerPoint attachment, all with just one click. Besides, here are some amazing revolutionary new experiences that only CoPilot Plus PCs can offer. Because of the 40 top MPUs and over 40 new on-device AI models, the PC can now process and reason over information in a way it has never been able to do before. With this new feature, called Recall, Microsoft's new PCs can now adapt to your needs. Let me show you how Recall solves one of the most frustrating problems we face daily: searching for a file, a folder, an email, or even a web page from just a few days ago. It should be simple, but often it's just not. And most times we have to try to remember by asking ourselves, hey, where did I put that file folder? Or where was it in many of my browser tabs that were open? Or worse, I have to go through thousands of emails to try and find what we're doing. Fair enough. The majority of you guys have faced such problems. But what if in a scenario you didn't have to stress yourself to remember? What if your PC could do the findings and locate where you kept that folder for you? With Recall, that's exactly what happens. Your PC uses the power of AI and the new system performance to make it possible to access virtually anything you have ever seen on your PC. It's going to be as if you have a photographic memory. But take note, Recall is only going to be possible on these advanced PCs. Here's a live demo Microsoft showed on how Recall functions.
The first big feature here is Recall. Recall is essentially an app that records everything you do. It takes a snapshot of your desktop every 3 to 5 seconds and uses AI to triage that into things you can search for using natural language. So you can see along the top here, there's a nice timeline interface, and you can click back into any point that you've been using your computer and see what was on screen. And you can use the app to copy text and images from that moment and paste it into somewhere else on your current desktop. We also have Paint Co-Creator. This is a new on-device AI image generator, which allows you to draw something basic in Paint and have Co-Creator sort of bring that to life. So I can type into here, for example, an old house on a hill with a blue sky, and now I can begin drawing that, and side by side, Co-Creator will draw a better version of it, if you will. So if we come over to the canvas here, there we go, I'm drawing the hill here, and there's the house there with a roof, because I'm a good drawer like that. So you can see on the right, it's turning it into something that I could never draw ever. But that's now my drawing. I can tell people I did that in Microsoft Paint. The era of Paint art is over, because Co-Creator is just going to do it for everybody now, which is a shame, I think. But it is what it is. So there we are. We can adjust the creativity level of it as well. So you can make it basic from the AI, or you can make it super advanced from the AI. And then you can tell all your friends you're a true artist, and you can hang that on your wall and say you made it in Microsoft Paint. So if I grab that and I can paste it into my canvas, there we are. I drew that. That is my art, and you can't tell me otherwise.
Now, we know to achieve a real breakthrough with Recall and AI, you have to be able to trust it with your data and your information. Microsoft built Recall with responsible AI principles and aligned it with our standards, and they're taking a very conservative approach. They're going to keep your Recall index private and local and secure it on just the device. Microsoft won't use any of that information to train any AI models, and they will put you completely in control with the ability to edit and delete anything that has been captured. Now, Recall is just the first of several of these great breakthrough experiences that they've shown, possibly only because of the CoPilot PC architecture. But there are other features. So what do you think about this new Microsoft innovation? Do you think this is a great step forward in how we use PCs? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos.